Hey, what's up guys? And in this video, I'm going to show you my new Fidget Cube. I traded it for my first fidget spinner that's already technically broken because I broke it. Yeah. Here's Eddie, guys. There's Eddie. Say hi, Eddie. Say hi, Eddie.
There's literally nothing. I said hi.
Oh.
There's literally nothing to eat in my house.
Good for you. So, this little joystick button, thingamajig. Click it. That's good, wow. And my favorite, the Switch. Oh, you have those?
Yes.
And there's this thing that's a little doll that you can spin around. It's really addicting. Then there's a soothing stone. Look. Put your thumb in there, and it really helps. Then there's the silver little ball that rolls. Then there's 3 gears. This one, this one. This one always goes fast. And the final thing is there's 5 little dots. Look. Click, click, click. Don't click and don't click. Eddie, let's play a game. Which one am I doing? What side? Try to guess it.
The Switch.
Yep, it's a Switch. Now which one?
Gears.
Nope. You have 3 guesses.
Switch again.
Nope.
The spinny thing.
No. It was a joystick. But you cannot do at the same time, so you cannot do 2 in 1. So next one. Wait.
Joystick.
Nope. Dude, I can't do 2. I can't do 2 of the same ones. 2 more guesses.
Something.
Correct. Now which one?
Spin.
Nope. Now which one?
Something.
Yep. And the final one. Which one did I not do yet?
The spinny gears.
Yeah, you got that right. You got, I'm pretty sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got, I would say 2 or 3 out of 6.
Yay.
So yeah, bye guys. See you next video. Remember to like and subscribe and poop while you're eating.